Empty. Empty. Usually that's full. Usually it's full. But this is gonna change it. Let's do it.
Grandmaster Glass.
Heyo, what's good everybody? It's your boy Grandmaster. So, today I've got a short one for you guys. I have completely run out of glass. I'm gonna change that. I have just put in an order with Mountain Glass and it finally arrived. 3-day shipping. Bam! Let's get it unpacked, guys. Alrighty guys, let me just crack this bad boy open for ya. Alrighty, that's step one. Got hella bubble wrap over there now. Now I need to unwrap these. These are going to be clear. These are going to be colored. I also have some opals in there, so let's get cracking. Yes, yes, yes. That's what I'm talking about. Full to the max. Yes, sir. Hella fucking packaging. But what's cool is, so I keep this, and so whenever anybody gets an order from me or I send out to a shop, I just reuse all the packaging I get my raw glass in. So it just all works out. So get ready for some goblin opal eyes. See if I can get in and zoom in, get a real good focus on them. Oof. Oof. They were out of the white opals, so these are mint opals. Hey, I'll take what I can get. Those are 6 millimeters. And then when I do a clear lens on it, the optics of it make it bigger, so it works out. All the colors, we got the rainbow coming in fresh. So this one, once I work it, the color will come out a little bit harder. But that is Galaxy by North Star. It's got some crazy sprinkle metallics in it, and so when I use it, it'll actually strike out into like a nebula blue. It's real cool. First time I'm going to be using Star White North Star. Then we got Light Elvis, Red Elvis, so that'll strike red. Then every color. We got a new color I've never used, Peach, dope. Citron, that's looking so fucking nice. I've gotten it a few times and it's been bubbly. This is like absolutely clear. I've never used, what is this? I believe Portland Green. Never used that, it's a darker green. Got Brilliant Blue. Really Tilly, I usually use Agua Azul, but we switched it up. Really Tilly was pretty close, so got Nightshade and Wisteria. So this I think was the only Troutman color. The rest are North Star and Glass Alchemy. But boy, do I love a good color wave. Wave, whoosh, whoosh, that's what I'm talking about. Get ready, guys. When I just have good glass, I want to make good art. Everybody wins. Yeah. Alrighty guys, I think that's where I'm going to end today's video. I said it was going to be a short one. I'm just getting you hyped about the glass because I'm hyped. And I'm just ready for y'all to see what I'm going to create with it. So keep an eye out for the next one. If you haven't already, subscribe to my channel. I'm ready to really grow it with your help. I just want to bring y'all in for a day-to-day kind of update on what I'm doing. And if that's what you want to see, hit that subscribe button. And other than that, guys, remember, never stop evolving.